Once upon a time, in a faraway land, nestled between lush green mountains, there was a valley filled with the sweet scent of lavender. This valley lay right next to a magical place called the Soapy Waterfall, where the cleaning fairies lived. The waters of the Soapy Waterfall flowed in bubbly streams, shimmering with rainbow colors, and carried the fresh fragrance of soap. However, the magic of this waterfall only worked for those who loved to be clean. In this valley lived a 5-year-old girl named Ella. With her curly hair and adorable smile, everyone loved her. But she had one bad habit. Ella never wanted to wash her hands. She would play in the mud and return home covered in dirt, always pretending to forget to wash her hands before meals. No matter how much her mother reminded her, Ella would say, "But my hands are already clean, and the water is too cold." She didn't care about the dust and dirt on her hands, unaware of what was about to happen. One morning, while playing in the garden, Ella slipped and bumped into the old well's cover. Suddenly, the cover swung open, and a bright light shone from within. Curious, Ella peered inside. At the bottom of the well, she saw a glowing door. Golden letters were inscribed on it. "Only those with clean hands and a pure heart may enter the land of cleanliness." As soon as Ella read the words, a strong wind blew, and she found herself falling into the well. Instead of feeling scared, she felt as if she was soaring through a sky of dazzling colors. When she finally landed, she found herself in the middle of an enchanted forest. Everything around her sparkled and shone with cleanliness. The leaves gleamed like soap bubbles, and even the birds left behind trails of pleasant scents as they flew. Just then, a radiant fairy appeared before her. The fairy's hair shimmered like fallen stars, and her magic wand released tiny soap bubbles with every flick. Smiling, the fairy said, "I am Sabina, leader of the cleaning fairies. I have come to understand why you refuse to wash your hands." Ella, still surprised, replied, "But I don't want to wash my hands. Why should I? No one even notices if they are dirty." Sabina's expression turned serious. "Ella, this land does not accept those who dislike cleanliness. However, I will give you a chance. If you can discover the magic of the soapy waterfall, you will understand why washing your hands is important." With a wave of her wand, Sabina transported Ella to the beginning of a winding path. Ella set off on her journey toward the waterfall, facing many challenges along the way. First, she encountered a massive bridge made entirely of mud. To her astonishment, the bridge spoke. "You cannot cross with dirty hands," the bridge said. Ella frunchó el ceño. "But there's no other way," she protested. "Then find a solution," the bridge replied, before falling silent. After thinking for a moment, Ella bent down to the nearby stream. She picked up a shiny stone and rubbed it between her hands. As the dirt washed away, the stone gleamed and her hands were clean. She placed the stone back, and at that moment, the bridge smiled and said, "Now you may pass." Continuing her journey, Ella soon arrived at a cave that looked like a giant honeycomb. At the entrance stood a large bee. "If you wish to pass through the cave, your hands must be clean. Otherwise, you cannot touch the queen bee's treasure," the bee declared. This time, Ella didn't argue. She quickly washed her hands in a tiny brook nearby. As soon as she dried them, the bee stepped aside, allowing her to pass. Finally, Ella reached the soapy waterfall, where foamy waters cascaded down, singing in rainbow hues. The waterfall spoke in a melodic voice, "To touch my waters, you must be clean. Only then will you receive my magic." Without hesitation, Ella washed her hands, her face, and even dipped her feet into the frothy waters. Instantly, the magic of the waterfall came to life, releasing thousands of tiny bubbles. Each bubble whispered gentle lessons about hygiene and cleanliness. Standing by the waterfall, Ella cupped the water in her hands, feeling truly refreshed. The waterfall then said, "From now on, cleanliness will be your companion. When you return home, you must always remember to stay clean, for cleanliness protects not only you, but also those around you." The next moment, Ella found herself back beside the well. From that day forward, she made a habit of washing her hands at every opportunity. Her mother noticed the change and said in amazement, "Ella, you wash your hands before every meal now. What a wonderful habit!" Smiling, Ella replied, "Because clean hands keep me and my loved ones safe." And from then on, Ella never forgot the lessons she had learned at the Soapy Waterfall. She even taught the other children in the village about the importance of cleanliness, ensuring that everyone in the village lived happily and healthily ever after.